Ganzin eye tracking solution enables gaze control in the metaverse, allowing users to interact with the digital world in the most natural way. Ganzin focuses on creating the next generation eye tracking modules that can be easily integrated into AR and VR devices and smart glasses. To unlock the potential of eyes as the seamless interface into the extended reality world. The core technology of Ganzin is the AI-powered eye tracking algorithm, which can be executed on Qualcomm XR platforms or Ganzin's in-house Edge AI processor. It is the most compact and easy-to-install eye-tracking technology on the market. Ganzin, unlock the potential of eyes as the ultimate interface to the metaverse.